You got 4 screws, 1 right here, and well, 2 up top and 2 on the bottom. So take the hex bolt right quick. Little kit I got off from Amazon. I'll drop the link, you know what I'm saying, in the description. Little prototype kit. I don't think it was that much, but yeah, yeah, I think it's working pretty good now. Here we go. Alright, so the panel off. Two Phillips screws. Take these out right quick. Boom, bam. Here goes your piece. Alright, here go the new clip. But yeah, it works if you got like a magnetic tip screwdriver, so you don't gotta worry about losing small screws. But tighten this down right quick. Man, I ate. Alright, so here goes the final result. Now it's closing all the way. I'm pulling on it. You hear it clicking back down. Alright, so yeah, that'll be it for this video, man. Something, you know what I'm saying, like real quick, just in case y'all was wondering how to do it. I noticed that it was missing, and I just decided to make a quick video, and just since I was doing it. Yeah, man, that's it for this video, so I'll catch y'all in the next one, man.